fourth question from exercise 1.4. So chapter number 1. So question is like, write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divide b we will get -3, and one pair is given 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is example. So what we have to do is simple, answer should be -3, and you can take any integers in the form of a and b, but there should be in division form. Like I am taking here 15 and -5, 2 digits, okay, because I know if 5 divided by 15 you will get 3 obviously, and minus and plus is -3. So if I am writing a divided by b, we will get -3. I am writing a, the value of a is 15. Divide as it is, and here is -5. Okay. If I am not taking minus, so what is the result? If I am not taking minus, so here answer is 3, only +3, but the answer should be -3. The condition is there. So we have to take one negative integer and one positive integer. That's why our answer is -3. Now also you can write what? 12 divided by -4. What you will get? Again -3. Okay, simple. You can take any pair, okay, not necessarily this pair is. One more example I am taking here is 18 divided by -6. Again you will get -3. Okay, so make 2 pairs by yourself and send it to my comment box. This is question number 4. This is very simple. Only you can make pair. And one question from my side is, make 1 pair. Your answer should a divided by b. You will get -6. Make the pair and send it to my comment box. Let us check who is able to solve it.